Welcome to Hyblock Capital. Today, we'll explore two unique indicators that help decode market behavior: participation ratio and transfer of contracts. Let's start with the participation ratio. Head to the Indicators tab, and under Order Flow and Open Interest, you'll find it. The participation ratio measures the percentage of trading volume explained by changes in open interest. In simple terms, it separates volume driven by new participants entering or exiting from the volume created by existing traders trading among themselves. Now, let's add open interest delta and volume delta to illustrate an example. If open interest increases by 2 million contracts, while volume delta shows 20 million contracts, the participation ratio is 10%. That means 10% of the trading volume came from new participants. A high or rising ratio suggests growing interest and more fresh capital entering the market. A low or negative ratio indicates traders are exiting or participation is drying up. That's why this indicator is often viewed as a barometer for market sentiment. Now, let's move on to our second indicator, transfer of contracts. You'll find it in the same order flow and open interest section, just a bit further down. This indicator compares volume against open interest changes. It highlights when trading activity is simply a transfer between participants, without increasing or decreasing overall open interest. Let's illustrate this concept with an example. Imagine a scenario where a trader decides to exit a long position of 500,000 contracts through a market sell order. Simultaneously, another trader enters the market with a long position of 500,000 contracts through a limit buy order. In this case, the transfer of contracts indicator would show a significant volume of 500,000 contracts being transferred without any net change in the overall market position. This is powerful for spotting accumulation and distribution phases, where contracts quietly move from weak hands to strong hands. To sum it up, participation ratio tells you how much of the trading volume comes from new participants, helping gauge sentiment and trend strength. Transfer of contracts shows when contracts are being exchanged without affecting open interest, helping you identify phases of accumulation or distribution. Together, these indicators give traders a clearer view of market behavior beyond just price action. Use these tools inside Hyblock Capital to gain deeper insights into market participation and positioning. Stay informed, stay ahead, only with Hyblock Capital.